Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika. In today's video, I'm going to give you this Christmas glam makeup tutorial. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please watch the video. I have already prepared my skin, so I'm going to start by applying concealer, and I'm using Kiss Beauty concealing palette for this, and I'll be applying concealer all over my eyelid, and then I'm blending my concealer with my fingers, and then I'm setting my concealer with the help of a compact powder. After that, I'm dipping into this grey shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'll be drawing it as a liner on the outer corner. You don't need to be very perfect while doing this because we have to blend it out at the end. Now you can see that I'm blending it out with the help of a fluffy blending brush, and I'm blending it towards the inner side of my eyelid. I'm using this palette from Hilary Rhoda, and I'm taking up the shade and applying it on my outer corner first, and then gradually I am taking it towards my inner corner and blending it very nicely. Again, I am dipping into this grey shade and I am applying it as a liner, and then I am making a curved line on the periphery of my eyelid, means where my crease line is. And then with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I am blending it out. To give my eyes more depth, I am again picking up the grey shade with the help of a pencil brush, and I am applying it on my crease line. And then I am blending it out with the help of a fluffy blending brush. I am applying concealer on inner 1/3 of my eyelid, and then I am blending it with the help of my finger and brush also. I am blending the edges of concealer for seamless look. Now I am taking this silver shade from the eyeshadow palette and I am applying it on the top of my concealer. From this palette, I am applying silver glitters on the top of that. This is the final look we have reached. I know it's looking little bit messy, but don't worry about that, we'll clean that. Moving forward to base makeup, I'm using aloe vera gel as a face primer, and I'm applying it only on the T-zone areas. For foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me one. First I will apply it with my fingers on my face, and then I'll blend it out with the help of a kabuki brush. Now it's time to conceal, and I'm using the same concealing palette, and I'm applying highlighting concealer on the T-zone areas like under my eyes, on center of my forehead, on bridge of the nose, on my chin, on the sides of my nose, and on the sides of my lip. And I'm also going to apply the concealer on my brow bones just to clean my eye makeup. And I'm going to blend it out with the help of same kabuki brush that I use for foundation. I'm blending the dark shade of my eye makeup to get the clean look. So this is how my both eyes are looking now. It's looking more even. I'm setting my concealer with the help of a compact powder, and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me compact powder for that. Now I'm filling my brows, and I'm using this grey shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm making a long eyebrow. I'm applying eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying a very thin one. On my waterline, I'm applying a kajal, and this kajal is from Himalaya. After applying it, I am going to smudge it out with the help of a flat brush, and I am also going to apply the grey shade from the eyeshadow palette closer towards my lower lash line. To finish my eye makeup, I am applying a mascara, and this mascara is from Kiss Beauty. I'm contouring my face to give my face some dimensions, and it is a powder contour. I'm using ITEX Dazzler Classic Compact Powder for this, and it is a very dark shade, so I'm using it as a contour. To contour my nose, I am making two lines with the help of a flat brush on the periphery of my bridge of the nose, and then I am smudging it out towards the outside, and then I am blending it with the help of my finger and then with the help of a brush. I am applying blush on the apples of my cheeks, and I am using this blush palette from Hilary Rhoda. For highlighter, I am using this liquid illuminator, and I am applying it with the help of my fingers, and I am applying it on the highest points of my face, like on the center of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my cheeks and on my chin. I am using the same silver glitters which I applied on my eyelid to highlight my inner corners. And to highlight my brow bones, I am using the same silver eyeshadow. To finish up my makeup, I am using a red lipstick. And this is my final finished look. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and if you do, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also like the video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye. Merry Christmas.